This is the last chance for you to invest in Kaspa below $1. The market is trading at 0.20 right now and still moving to the upside. In this video, I'm going to do a correlation between Kaspa, which is a layer 1 crypto, and other layer 1 and layer 2 crypto, for example, ADA and also matic, Sol, Phantom, and every other layer 1 and layer 2 crypto in this very video. And also, if you look at crypto bubbles, Kaspa is one of the best performing crypto of the week. This is crazy, guys. 16.3% on crypto bubbles, Kaspa, all the way to the upside. So pay attention and watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Kaspa, I've been talking about this very coin, and if you have been investing, congratulations. You should be in good profit at the moment, okay? And this correlation I want to do right now is from March this year to the current market price. So if you invest in Kaspa around March, that's this very area on the chart, all the way to the upside, you should be in good profit as we speak. So from March, around this, anywhere in March to the upside, right at this very point, you discover you should be in 60% profit on Kaspa right now. This is great, guys. This is a good investment. So from March to this very point, you should be in 60% profit on Kaspa if you invest. And also, if you invest anywhere from March to April, May, June, and even last month, July, you should also be in profit. This is very, very important. Now, if you compare this chart with other layer 1 crypto, for example, if you compare it to ADA from March, okay, let's say you invest in ADA when the market was moving upward and you still believe market is going to move upward, and you invest in March, all the way ADA has been coming back to the downside. That means you should be in loss. And if you look at the loss from this very point, that's 24th in March, all the way down here, market should be in 51% drop, okay, 51% right down. That means you should be in 51% loss. If you invest $100, you should be left with about $50 on this very portfolio. And this is your investment in ADA. ADA have been dropping all the way to the downside since March. Market has been coming all the way down. And even if you invest in April or May, you should also be in loss. ADA have been having difficult time to move all the way to the upside, unlike we see on Kaspa right here. And also, if you look at matic have a very difficult time as well. All the way from March, matic has been coming all the way right down. So if you invest in March around this very area, around the 11th of March, from this very point all the way down to this very point right here, you discover that you should be in 61% loss. If you invest $100, you should lose more than 50% of that investment. This is crazy, guys. And even though you invest around May or June, you should still be in loss on matic. If you look at Solana has been doing well over time, which is very fine. But if you invest in Solana around March as well, you discover that you should be in little profit, because Solana has been moving to the upside with progressive movement upward. So from March, which is this very area, all the way upward to where the market is right now, this very point of 6168, okay, you should be in 35% profit on Solana if you invest in March. And also, if you invest in April around this very area, you should be in loss. If you invest around May, you should be in profit, okay? So Solana has been doing well over time. And if you take this to Phantom, okay, Phantom is one of the best crypto, especially in the layer 1 space. But if you invest in Phantom around March as well, you should be in massive loss, guys. You should be in massive loss from here all the way to the downside. Look at it, 65% loss on Phantom all the way from March to where the market is right now, the current market price, 61%. This is a huge loss on fanthom. And even though you invest around this very area in May, or you invest around this very area in June, you should also be in loss as well. Now, look at Ethereum. Ethereum is the mother of all altcoin. Look at it here. If you invest in Ethereum around March, which is this very area, March 11, and then if you draw this from March 11 to where the market is right now, you discover that you should also be in loss, which is 20% loss on Ethereum. And this is moving all the way to the downside. We've seen a steady movement in Ethereum over time, but right now, considering the fact that if you invest in March to where the market is right now, you should be in 20% loss on Ethereum. Now, if you look at all these layer 1 and layer 2 crypto, comparing them to Kaspa, you discover that Kaspa has been moving all the way upward. Be it you invest in March, if you invest in April, May, June, and even last month, July, you should be in profit on Kaspa. And that is why I am betting hard on Kaspa. Okay, I am betting hard on Kaspa, guys. And if you look at it, comparing Kaspa and Solana, you discover that Kaspa have outperformed Solana. From March, Kaspa have done 60%, but Solana have done only 35%, which is also great. Okay, now if you look at this, correlating it to the two guys that have been moving significantly in the past few months, so owing to the fact that Solana and Kaspa is moving all the way upward, but Kaspa still have a very huge gain compared to Solana with a big difference. If you want to invest in these two crypto, I would prefer Kaspa to Solana. And the reason is because in the heat of the bull market, Kaspa is going to do much more better. And not only that, it is still below $1. Okay, so it have capacity of pumping to the upside. Not only that, when the market will begin to pump in the heat of the bull market, it will give you higher return compared to Solana. And this is why. Let's say, for example, you invest with a $500. I believe in the heat of the bull market, and this is my personal opinion, that Solana is going to hit the least $1,000. So if you invest right now in Solana with 500, let's say you use $500 and you invest in Solana and you buy at the current market price of 169, this is the quantity of Solana you're going to have in your portfolio. And then in the heat of the bull market in 2025, if you multiply this time 1,000, that is the minimum I am expecting Solana to do, you discover you have $3,000. That is 2.9 for the entire portfolio on Solana for a $500 investment. Now, if you do the same, okay, $500 investment on Kaspa, you're going to have a greater reward compared to Solana. I am expecting Kaspa to do the least $25 in the heat of the bull market. It is just below $1 right now. And if you use $500 to buy Kaspa at the present price, that is current market price of 0.20, and you divide this by 0.25, this is the quantity of Kaspa that you're going to have in your portfolio. And if you multiply this by 25, this is my personal opinion, this is the amount you're going to have with a $500 investment when Kaspa move up to $25 in the heat of the bull market in 2025, because $25 is possible for Kaspa in the heat of the bull market, as well as $1,000 is possible for Solana in the heat of the bull market. So between Kaspa and Solana, it is best for you to invest in Kaspa compared to Solana. Now, this is very important. I still have some Solana in my portfolio, which I bought very early last year, and also I still have Kaspa as well, but I have more quantity of Kaspa compared to Solana. And if I want to add more to my portfolio, what I will do is to add more Kaspa compared to Solana. I'm not going to add any Solana again into my portfolio. Otherwise, I'm going to buy more Kaspa because it is performing very well, and market is moving all the way upward. compared to Solana, as you can see right here. I don't have ADA, I am holding for a long time. I don't have matic, I'm holding for a long time. And also I am not investing in Phantom, and I don't have any. I don't have Ethereum as well, although Ethereum is very, very cool. Okay, it is a very nice crypto asset that have proven over time not to dip all the way to the downside in the bear market, and it is also a best crypto to hold for a long time, in as much as it is coming back down at the moment. And if you look at Bitcoin have been moving all the way downward. I told the market is going to come back down as a result of the Fed interest rate yesterday, which was kept unchanged. And if you look at it, the market is coming back to the downside. I am expecting a retracement right now on the 4-hour chart. So from this very level of support where we see the market right now, expect the market to move upward. I am expecting a retracement to come into the market before continuation to the downside. So from where the market is right now at this very point, expect the market to move upward. And not only that, if you look at the RSI indicator at this very point, market enter into oversold a little bit and come out of oversold, and the expectation is that market should continue this movement out of oversold to the upside. And if we see that play out, that means the market on the chart is going to move upward for a retracement, maybe before a continuation to the downside on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. This is very important. Now, conclusively in this very video, Kaspa is one of the best performing crypto of the week according to Crypto Bubbles, as you can see right here, and it is still under $1, 0.205 cents at the moment. Best for your investment strategy. Invest in Kaspa right now and you see your money grow over time. Okay, so if you are investing at the current market price, know that the market has already moved all the way to this very area, creating a new high. This is a long-term investment. What that means is you can invest right here and market will come back down a little bit, which is very fine. Market is still going to move upward. So if you're investing right now where the market is, know that market can correct before moving all the way to the upside. But on the long run, Kaspa is better compared to all these layer 1 and layer 2 crypto. Invest in Kaspa, get some Kaspa into your portfolio, and you're going to see your investment turn out very well. So that is very important in this very video, guys. And pay attention to Bitcoin if you trade on futures and also on spot. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, crypto.com, KuCoin, please check the description of this very video. See a link and do a registration right now and claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.